everyone, and welcome back. I have missed you guys so much. It is a gorgeous, beautiful spring day today. There's not a cloud in the sky, and it's like in the low 70s, a wonderful breeze, and the butterflies are out like crazy. They're just flying from flower to flower, and I'm getting distracted looking at them, but I am thoroughly enjoying this beautiful weather. I live in Texas, and my favorite time of the year, my two favorite seasons is spring and fall. Wintertime, not a fan of the cold, and I truly do love summer. It's just that here in Texas, it gets so hot that it almost makes it impossible to enjoy the outdoors. So I do love summer. However, I don't like when we're in triple digit temps over here, and it happens often enough in the summertime. But I am soaking up every bit of spring. I want to live outside. I just want to spend every minute outside up until it starts getting unbearable to enjoy the outdoors. So I have been, in my last video, since I haven't been on here in a minute, I was showing you guys some seedlings that I had planted, and some did well and some didn't do too well, but I kind of replanted some of them. However, my tomato plants are doing fabulous. My peppers are finally starting to sprout because I think just a week ago, actually, the matter of fact, Saturday, it was down in the 40s here. And obviously we need the warmer temps for them to grow. So it's finally, I've been kind of bringing them in and out of the house because I don't want them to die. I'm crossing my fingers that I find my green thumb and I'm able to grow some veggies this summer. I told Travis that if I can find my green thumb within 2 years, I want to build a garden out on our property with a little garden shed, just to house my tools and my pots and stuff like that. And who knows, make like little garden parties out there and using all the fresh veggies that we grow. In theory, that sounds good. So hopefully, fingers crossed, I can do that. But I have been having such a wonderful time, watering our veggies. I didn't go too crazy planting flowers this year just because we do have a lot of deer out here and they eat my flowers every single time. And I'm sorry, but flowers are getting very expensive. So that's why I kind of decided to plant seeds this year and hoping that they do well. And if that's the case, then I will be doing this year after year. Okay, here are my peppers, and I don't remember which one it was, but I have a row of bell peppers and a row of jalapeno here. And then here are my little sprouts of basil. And then here is my cilantro. So now that it's a little bit more warm here, they're definitely doing good. Tomatoes are doing good. And I put this little support system here for the tomatoes because they are going to need them very soon. And then I planted this just yesterday. This here are radishes, and I have some green onions here. I planted some marigolds here. Those are sunflowers. I had to replant these guys because, again, it was just so cold out here and they weren't doing too well in the little cups that I had when I was trying to grow them from their little seeds. And these are wildflowers. And then here we have some zinnias that are growing. These are when I had them from seeds the first time in a little cup, and then I just replanted some more here. But now that it's warmer, I know that everything will do really good. Hopefully, I can care for them and they don't die on me. But I don't have much of a garden area here. It's just I want to get me more of these guys. I really love this raised garden box here. I love it so much. So I don't know yet. I'm contemplating in ordering more of these guys, and I like it because it houses my little watering cans down there. And then this here was a table that we found on the side of the road, and I just put it here where I can go ahead and sit all my pots on here for the moment. So yeah, fingers crossed, guys. They grow and they thrive in the sun, and I can't wait to see the end result. Okay, I have been craving banana bread for the longest time, and I went the other day and bought some bananas, actually probably about I think it was yesterday actually. Yes, I went and bought some bananas yesterday, and I stuck 3 bananas in my cupboard. That way it's nice and dark in there, and then they can ripen a lot faster. So we're gonna whip up some banana bread because I have been craving it for the longest. Oh, and also let me show you real quick before I bake some banana bread. I planted a rose bush probably, I think last year, and there were these beautiful coral looking roses, and we planted them, and one day I woke up, beautiful roses. Next day they were gone because the deer ate them. So they are blooming right now. So I went ahead and clipped some beautiful three little roses, and they're just such a beautiful color, and I love these roses so much. Look how stinking cute they are. They are just so gorgeous and so cute. So I figured let me clip them before the deer eat them, and I can go ahead and enjoy them in the home.
I'm hushing the dog on the chain. I'm running up stones on the edge of the bank. Rally the troops for another refrain. I sing this softly to myself. I sing this softly to myself. I'm buried beneath the sand. There's no way to speak or reach out my hand. Watching the paper slowly unfold, bracing for news that I can't bear to hold, while I'm singing this song to myself. I sing this softly to myself. Tore up my jeans on the fence. This iron road I cannot bend, but my walking is lighter when I walk with a friend. I sing this softly to myself. I sing this softly to myself.
Hello from the next day. I'm just here enjoying my homemade banana bread that I made yesterday because I can't get enough of it, and it is just so good and moist. And I added chocolate chips on top just to bring it up a little bit more, To me, I'm a chocolate lover, and anytime that I can add chocolate chips to anything, I just love it. And if you're interested, I will link this recipe in the description box, but it's never failed me every time I've made this banana bread. But it's a cloudy day, and I'm hoping we get some rain because there is rain in the forecast, but it hasn't rained just yet. Because plants to me thrive when they get the fresh rainwater. I love when it rains. They're so happy and perky. So crossing my fingers that we do get a little bit of rain. And hopefully today in the late evening, if it's not raining, we'll squeeze in an evening walk. The weather has just been so gorgeous that we've been trying to squeeze in walks here and there throughout the week when we can. So today's going to be just a cozy day at home. We're going to be crafting today. I'm going to be making some homemade candle holders, and you need minimal supplies, and I'll show you all that you need to make them. But I hope you guys, make these candles because they totally bring such a nice cozy vibe to any space in your home. So we're going to do that. And then I'm going to whip up a quick little chicken Caesar salad this evening for dinner. And then if we get no rain, we're going to go for a little walk. So let me go ahead and show you everything that we need because I am definitely itching to do some crafts and I want to start working on that now. Here are the supplies that we're going to need to make the candle holders, and just find yourself any jar of your choice. It could be small, big, whatever you want to use as a candle holder. Get a jar to do so, and then you will need some Mod Podge. And what I like about this is that when you go ahead and glue the flowers to the glass, it does turn clear. So don't be too alarmed if you see this big old thick gook of white paste on your glass. It will dry up and it'll turn clear. And then all you need are your pressed flowers. And let me take these out so I can show you guys. They're so beautiful. Okay, here are the flowers, and I bought all these flowers for a pack of them on Amazon. So here's some right here, and I have a lot more. All these flowers, and they're very delicate, so you have to be very careful. And they give you this little gadget here to pick the flowers up and press them on the glass because they are delicate and they break very easily. So just be careful if you do decide to order some pressed flowers. But see, these are like little leaves that fell off my other ones here, but they're so pretty. So I'm going to go ahead and start pasting the Mod Podge on the glass and then getting the flowers pressed on there. But we are going to go ahead and create something very beautiful. Candle holders are all dried up. All the Mod Podge is dried, and they turned out so darling. Let me show you guys the final result. And here they are. When they're lit up, it literally can't speak. It literally looks so magical at night when it's all lit up. It is so, so darling. So I'm going to add some little tea lights. You can add whatever candle you like. You can use whatever jar you want to and decorate it with pressed flowers. And again, it's just so, so cute. So once you add the little warm lighting from your candles, it truly looks magical. Okay, change of plans. I was gonna make a chicken Caesar salad tonight for dinner, but Travis came home with pizza, so pizza it is, and we're gonna cozy up on the couch and watch Amazing Race. We have been hooked and obsessed with it, and we've been watching season after season, so we're gonna enjoy some delicious pepperoni pizza. Bellies are full, but we're gonna stay home and just finish cozying up on the couch and finish watching our show, Amazing Race. We weren't able to squeeze in a walk like I wanted to because it is still gloomy and it hasn't rained all day, but I'm scared we're gonna get caught in the rain. So we're just gonna stay home and cozy up on the couch. I have truly enjoyed hanging out with you guys, and I hope you guys enjoyed today's videos. As always, I can't wait to catch you guys on the next one, but I am gonna sign off and you guys have a wonderful, wonderful evening. Bye guys.